Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone and welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I am bringing you a special Tablescape collaboration. This one is titled the Icantbreath collaboration. Now, there are 6 hosts for this collaboration, and all of them are members of the newly formed collaboration group called the Heaven's Pearls. Now, the Heaven's Pearls, that name comes from Matthew 13:45 through 46, which reads partly in the King James Version, "Again, the kingdom of the heaven is like unto a merchantman seeking goodly pearls." Now, there are 6 of us in this group, and in no certain order. There's myself, Candy, and my channel is DIY Design by CCW. There's Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. There's Erika of Love is the Main Key. Liz of Jazigreen Decor Style, Sandra, Levels of Style with Sandra, and Dee of the Designer's Loft. Now, the 6 of us will be meeting once a month, and our goal is to really focus on doing collaborations and hosting collaborations that do all to the glory of God. We keep 1 Corinthians in mind with everything that we do. So our first collaboration, we decided because of everything that's happening right now, all the violence, all the pain in our communities, that our first Tablescape would be the I Can't Breathe Tablescape collaboration. Now, in the description box of this video, you will see links to all the other ladies' channels. You will also see links to the playlist, as well as 3 hashtags that are associated with this collaboration. And I may have inserted a couple other ones that I thought of after we put this together. Obviously, we probably have all heard of the I Can't Breathe campaign. You may have even used it as a hashtag, but there are some others, such as Say Their Names, that are associated, with that, as well as BlackLivesMatter, Justice for George Floyd. And I just wanted to name a few. I mean, there have been many that have died, especially at the hands of police violence in recent years. But I just wanted to say the names of a few of those. Of course, we all know George Floyd. That was very recent. There was also a young lady named Breonna Taylor that has lost her life. And if you remember, there was Trayvon Martin, just a young kid, just a little kid. There was Tamir Rice, there was Michael Brown, there was Eric Gardner, there was Philandro Castile, and there are many, many others. But our focus today is to shed light on that violence, as well as the violence in our communities, because we just don't want to see another life lost. We don't. Our children matter, our sons, our daughters, our nephews, our nieces, they all matter. And we want to shed some light, bring some awareness, and hopefully soon, there's going to be equality in the fact that our children do not have to worry about growing up while being a person of color. They don't have to worry about driving as a person of color or taking a walk as a person of color. Shouldn't be like that. Not in this country, not in anywhere in the world. So I'm going to stop talking now and I'll show you my tablescape. All of us chose the color of black and white. And again, this was an open collaboration. We said you could do any decor that you wanted, any theme, any style. We just wanted you to use black and white. And if you think about that, there's a reason why we chose those colors. So again, here is my take on the Icantbreath Tablescape collaboration, and I'll come back at the end just to say a few words. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll find your way down to the playlist. Make sure you go and visit all of the other members of Heaven's Pearls. Again, that's Tammy, me, myself, and DIYing it, Erika of Love is the Main Key, Liz of Jazigreen Decor Style, Sandra of Levels of Style with Sandra, and Dee, the Designer's Loft, and of course there's myself, DIY Design by CCW. And also please visit the playlist. I'm hoping there will be tons of other creators who will participate in this collaboration. And again, you know, I can't thank you enough for watching this video and for all the support that you've given this channel. I hope you'll consider subscribing today, and also please consider subscribing to all the members of the Heaven's Pearls. We're going to meet monthly and really try to bring you content with a purpose. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see all of you in the next video.